Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restart, shut down, or factory reset your Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. At least show you where you can get to that on the watch depending on which of those three things you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and start by turning on the watch. I'm simply going to press the top right button. We need to go to our settings. There's multiple ways you can do that. You can press the top right button again, takes you to your app listings. In the middle of your app listings you will find settings. I wish they would sort these alphabetically as opposed to the way they do it, but you got settings right there in the middle. The easiest way to me is simply swipe down from the top, click on the gear icon, that will take you to settings. Once we're under settings, we're going to go all the way down until we get to system. And then once you're on system, you're going to swipe up and you're going to see some different options down here. Restart basically means it's just going to shut down and shut back on your device. Shutdown means it's going to turn it off completely. It will not restart it. That would be the setting. Maybe you're going to be traveling, you're going to have it in a bag, you won't be wearing it for a while. That would be a reason for shutting it down. And then factory reset would be what you use in the event that you're getting rid of it, you're going to sell it to somebody, return it, something like that. You want to wipe all of your data. So click on any one of those values you need to, and you should be all set. That's how you can get to that setting. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.